Hey friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. In today's video, we are going shopping at Costco. My husband and I love our Costco membership, and I understand that not everybody can shop there, but I wanted to share with you what they had for Christmas. So the first thing I saw when I walked in, right in the front, were these 32 heat leggings and tops. Now I own both of these, and so does Alex. They're great for running in the morning, also if you've got kids sports that you need outfits for, and they go on sale a few times throughout the season, so these at $6.99 are a steal. Next up, we went into Christmas land. This tree was ginormous, 12 feet tall. They have a ton of beautiful garlands and greenery. They have a lot of things at a good deal. This wreath had both multicolor lights and warm white lights, and a lot of their options are friendly if you use both kind of lights in your decor or you're just looking for something you can change. Alex was really excited to see these light up candy canes. I thought 6 for $27 was a little pricey for how kind of flimsy they looked. They have a full-blown nativity scene, so if you're looking to go that route, I thought $800 for all of those pieces wasn't too bad. Look at this cute little polar bear guy. They've got a ton of decorative ornaments. These would be great outside on bushes or trees. And then these, I thought it was so cute until I saw that one up to the left. That one's a little creepy. They have these luxury crackers. I thought the name was hilarious, but those would be so fun with kids for New Year's. And this I was like really excited to find. For $16.99, they had this Wells Street planner, and it looks just like a happy planner. The pages pop in and out. This is what's included if you want to pause it and check it out. But for $16.99, if you've got somebody in need of a planner, check it out. They've got a ton of paper, nothing to die for as far as prints. I could pass on their stuff. What they do have is ribbon for $6.99, which is a great deal. They had a ton of silver, burlap, and green. Their red was pretty picked over, but I still grabbed one thing of wire-edged ribbon for my Christmas tree. These gift tags I thought were super cute, and they had Frozen and Disney in there, which you don't normally see. And then we went over to the toys. Costco has a ton of toy options at really good pricing, so it's definitely something that you want to check out. My biggest tip for shopping for toys at Costco is this. Be sure to download the Amazon app, and literally while you're in the store, use the barcode on the boxes to scan and compare. So something like this radio flyer wagon, it's not exclusive to Costco. You can see what they're selling it for online on Amazon. You can also price compare other stores, and you can see if that Costco price is really a good deal. I love scanning and doing that at Costco all year round. I do that in the grocery store a lot of times too, with vitamins, supplements, etc. At this day and age, paying too much for stuff is just essentially laziness with all the technology that we have. So download that. Use a lot of coupon apps, and if you're shopping online, be sure to use Ebates. How fun would these be? Now we got into kind of the younger kids stuff. They've got a lot of name brand Disney stuff and Star Wars, which are now the same thing. But this advent calendar I thought was so cute. They're little Lego pieces that you can break out for each day. And if you've got a kid that loves Star Wars, it's $30, and really for Christmas fun, you could use it for the whole family. I thought it was a great deal. They've got a ton of Fisher Price things, a lot of name brand items that if you're looking for these toys, I would definitely check out Costco. Other things like board games. They had Scrabble, Monopoly, Clue, a ton of different options if you have someone that likes board games that you're buying for. $20? Bunch of card games? This is a fun hostess gift too if you don't want to give them like housewares. Board games are really great to get to your friends that host Christmas parties. The Star Wars Legos are huge. I have a feeling, even though there's not a movie coming out this Christmas, these are going to be huge. There's Star Wars merch literally everywhere. Play-Doh, this stuff is great. Also, if you're looking for a classroom gift for a teacher, this would be good if you know they use Play-Doh. Some teachers don't like Play-Doh, so be aware. Also, this would be a really cool classroom gift. These really cute themed rugs. Teachers are always looking for rugs, at least in my experience. So this kind of stuff to donate to the classroom would be great for Christmas at $23. They had some more Lego things. If you've got Lego crazy kids or, you know, nieces, nephews, family, etc., they've got plenty of options for both girls and boys. They've also got a ton of reading activity sets. This Disney one is adorable. That's also probably good to grab and stash away if you're going on a Disney trip for, you know, in the next year. Thomas the Train, a lot of different options, and these pillows are like all the rage. I like to touch them, but I don't know if I could ever like lay on them. I always like to check out the clothes when I go to Costco. I have a ton of loungewear things that I'm obsessed with. This has a cowl neck, comes in a lot of cute colors, and their stuff is usually super cheap. And it's so comfy. You can usually find a ton of name brand stuff. Like they had North Face jackets here. Like granted, $140, you're paying the North Face price, but that's still a really good deal for that kind of puffer jacket. And they had a lot of different options. The only caveat is they were all mediums. They do that sometimes, but it's a great place to find stuff. And we love to buy things for Sebastian at Costco. These Nylabones are on sale 4 for $12. And then also these Kong play packs. They are pretty good quality. He can still destroy them, but most of the things are destroyable. Thank you so much for coming shopping with us at Costco. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. If you're interested in me doing more videos about how I shop at Costco and how I save money, let me know down below. I'm working out more content coming into the Christmas shopping season. So any tips there that you would like to see, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.